Harvard Aircraft Association. We're based in Tillsonburg, Ontario, about 2 hours west of Niagara Falls. And we are an all-volunteer organization. We have 8 Harvards in our collection. On any given day, about 4 or 5 of them airworthy. And we undertake our mission to preserve, restore, maintain, and display the Harvard and other aircraft associated with the British Commonwealth Air Training Plan. Your pilot today, Charlie Cartledge, has been involved with the Harvard Association in Canada for many years, and he's a proud owner of this beautiful RCAF Harvard.